Today on Cold Email Teardowns, let's take our shovel into the spam box and find this email requesting backlinks. We will tear it down from its poorly constructed state and rebuild a beautiful building that is a high converting email campaign. Hopefully this helps you if you are running a SaaS company and want to get backlinks for your tool. If you don't know me, I'm the cold email king. We've sent millions of cold emails. I run a cold email agency, a bunch of SaaSes around this whole concept of emailing people that you don't know and getting them to do what you want. Buy from you, backlink your site, whatever it is. So with that in mind, let's jump into the spam box and see what we're dealing with here. So here's the original email from Parthiba Kumar from Sloovy. Would it be weird if I just said, can you get a normal name? Sloovy? Enough jibber jabber. Let's talk emails. Here is the subject. Please link to our website. Body. Hi there. Hope you don't mind me reaching out. I is Parthiba Kumar, and I'm contacting you on behalf of Sloovy-Outreach. You might have heard of us before, but if not, Sloovy Outreach is da-da-da-da-da-da. Don't care. I'll cut right to the chase so I don't waste your time. We recently created a post on email outreach tool. As we're going through this email, just make sure that you like this video to encourage this type of content on YouTube and subscribe down below. We do a ton of content like this, so just make sure you're subscribed to see all of the cold email content, lead generation content that we're coming out with. I'm really excited with what's coming in the next few months. So what's the goal? Goal of the campaign is to get a backlink, right? Target. So what's the goal? You're reaching out to Div. Why? Who is Div? Here's my note 1, right? An article worth linking to. Write an article worth linking to. What is an email outreach tool? By the way, the sun, I see it. I see it blasting in my eyeballs, all right? I know you see it too. It's just the setup today. This is our setup. Maybe another day we'll have a different setup. I can get the ring light going, but I have smashed the ring light that I had by accident, snapped it right off the tripod. So we got to film in natural light today, and this is natural light. And honestly, I'm feeling the energy from it, but the visuals, I'm not about it. I would rather sit in a cave with a beautiful ring light and just bring you the best experience possible, but this is just what life is. And now the clouds have covered the sun, making it perfect again. Thank you. Thank you, clouds. I would say subject, quick question. Hey, Div, huge fan of the work you've done on the Alex Berman YouTube channel. Love the tool reviews. We created an email outreach tool called Sloovy that I would love to send you access to. Where should I send the login? By the way, if you want us to tear down your email, the best way to do that is to join Cold Email University. And that also comes with weekly calls with me. So on these weekly calls, we can talk about your email campaigns. We can improve everything for you besides what's already in the course, which will already create a rock solid cold email campaign for you. Hey Div, huge fan of the work you've done with the Alex Berman YouTube channel. Love the tool reviews. We created an email outreach tool called Sloovy that I would love to send you access to. Where should I send the login? Thanks, Kumar P. And then what you'll do on this is when the influencer responds, and they will respond, everyone wants free access, then they'll get the login. And if they like the tool, they'll do a review of it. So there you go. Here's the before and the after. Hey Div, huge fan of the work you've done on the Alex Berman YouTube channel. Love the tool reviews. We created an email outreach tool called Sloovy that I would love to send you free access to. Where should I send the login? Thanks, Kumar P. Notice this email perfectly covers our 3 C's. You've got the compliment, the case study, aka just a valuable offer, and then the call to action, where should I send the login, which is also an assumptive close. So that's how I would do this in terms of outreach strategy. If you're trying to get people to backlink to your article, like SEO wise, then you need to make sure the article is good enough. The reason why I recommend this strategy instead is because they don't have the skill to write an article good enough. If I'm assuming that the article they sent is the best they could do, they don't have the skill to do it. So instead, do this. It's a no-brainer strategy. It's foolproof, and you'll get as many backlinks as your tool deserves, which may be a lot. I don't know. I haven't played with the tool. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.